Well, that's it. Lines down here, fine. Couldn't find a problem.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah.
Let's knock out for today. We'll fill them back in tomorrow.
Sure. Hey there.
Trent, does that guy at the bar look familiar to you?
Hi. You mean the one in the blue hat? Not really. Why?
I'm sure I've seen him before.
Well, go ask.
I'm not just gonna go up to some guy I don't know.
Okay, can we get back to studying? It's driving you crazy, isn't it? Go ask.
Hey, do we know each other?
I don't think so. I'm Blake. This is Jesse. How's it going?
Like, you just look so familiar to me.
Do you follow motocross?
No. Why, is that what you do?
Hey. Yeah, sure. Here.
Okay, so you're famous for riding a motorcycle?
Don't be so surprised.
Oh, no, it's just, I didn't know you could be famous for that.
Well, why don't you come see for yourself? The Nationals are this week at Reefside MX Park. Bring some friends. I'll get you passes.
You asking me out?
No, it's nothing like that. Look, part of being a rider is spreading the word of our sport. You know, getting people to come out who never would on their own. I promise you, you'll totally be into it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Cool.
Stand down. All right. How do you guys think that went?
Oh, dude, we totally kicked their butts! Yo!
I believe he was talking to them, Sensei Dustin.
Oh, right. Sorry, proceed.
Thank you. All right, before your next lesson, I want you guys to think about what just happened here. You all need to consider your commitment to ninja training. Class dismissed.
Shane, you kind of sounded like Sensei back there.
Yeah, well, speaking of Sensei, wasn't he supposed to meet us here?
You forgot?
When has he ever forgotten anything? Ever.
Hey, check it out.
Tori Shane Dustin. Go to the highest point in Blue Bay Harbor. Meet me there as the sun is setting.
Do not speak of this matter until I have spoken with you.
How's the new system going?
I don't think it's working right. I've checked the routines, the subroutines, every line of code. It just doesn't make any sense. This is a map of California. If this reading were accurate, we'd have a blanket of evil spreading over the entire state.
You sure it's a computer problem?
It better be, or we've got some major trouble.
Is everything all right?
No, Tori. I'm afraid it's not.
Yeah, you don't look so hot. I mean, no offense.
None taken, Dustin.
So what's up?
He's back. Lothar is back.
Wait, Lothar can't be back.
Yeah, no way.
We saw him disappear into the abyss of evil.
If Lothar's really back, how are we gonna fight him with no powers?
Cam has been saving these for just such an occasion. Shane, Tori, Dustin, it is with a heavy heart that I must give you your new wind morphers. A dark cloud has descended upon us, and it is time for you to resume your duties as Power Rangers.
We won't let you down, Sensei. Let's do it!
Well, how do you feel?
That Blue Bay Harbor must be destroyed.
Why stop there? I want the whole country.
And then the world.
That's what I was hoping you'd say. I never thought I'd say this, but it's a pleasure to see y'all.
And it's our pleasure to serve under you.
Music to my ears.
Who are you looking for?
Don't you guys have ninja homework?
Yeah, well, we finished because it was, like, really easy. Yeah.
Look, just go and contact your inner ninja.
Hey, you want to talk about this? We're family, remember? Yeah, we're totally here for you, cousin.
Fine. Look, my father hasn't come back yet, and I'm a little worried. Ever since that whole guinea pig thing, I'd like to know where he is.
Cam, your father's like a really great sensei. I'm sure he'll be fine. Yeah, and hey, you got us in the meantime.
Very comforting. Now, if you'll excuse me.
You know what? He's so gonna get those little worry lines. Totally. Ew, gross. Yeah.
So, Cass, tell me again why we're here. I mean, not that I'm complaining.
To get an interview with Blake Bradley. He's like the biggest thing in Moto Toss.
Cross. Cass, it's motocross.
Yeah, whatever. Mr. Cormier says I have to be edgier. And this is as edgy as it gets.
Yeah, well, that's true.
Oh, hello. I have a press pass. I'm Cassidy Cornell. You might have seen me on the Ringside News.
Well, your name is not on the list. And if your name is not on the list, you have to pay like everybody else.
What about those guys? How did they get in?
They were on the list.
All right, folks, we are ready to start the first 125 moto.
Oh, let's get over there. I don't want to miss the start.
The 30-second board is up.
Dustin, Shane! Are you out here?
What's this? This was at the Abyss of Evil. The school.
So nice of you all to be here to greet us.
Uh-oh. I thought you were...
Gone? Destroyed? History?
Well, yeah.
Sorry to disappoint, girls, but I'm back in black. And needless to say, I'm in a mood.
Yeah, like that would have changed.
Never could keep your mouth shut, could you?
Who are they?
New friends I made down in the depths of the abyss. They don't say much, but they fight like the Dickens.
Yeah. Thank goodness you're here. Look, local.
We know. Isn't it great?
Huh?
Capture them!
Gladly. Ready?
Right! Ninja Storm! Ranger Force! Power of Earth! Let's get him! Hot Blaster! Fire!
Sonic Bend!
Lion Hammer! Time to bottle up my troubles once and for all. Power down! Huh? Going someplace, girl?
No, wait, us! We're family! Yeah.
Only by marriage.
Yeah, but we can help. Yeah.
Like you did last time?
Yeah. No, seriously. We're ninjas now, and we can totally kick butt. Ow.
Well, you might have a point there. All right, you're in, but only on a trial basis. One screw-up, and you're gone.
Uh-huh.
Well, now that's taken care of. On to bigger things.
All right. What about the others? Cam will be looking for us.
Exactly. And when he finds you, it won't be very pretty, will it?
No, it won't.
Haley, it's late. You should go home and get some rest.
There it is again. The energy is radiating from this point here.
Blue Bay Harbor. That's where the Ranger Ninja School is.
I've had some correspondence with Cam Watanabe, but they discontinued the Ranger program after Lothal was destroyed.
Hope you still have that number.
This is not good. It's happened. We need to meet. Hunter, good to see you. Thanks for coming. Sorry to call you away from your students.
I thought it must be important. I was hoping we'd never have to use these things. So, you think it's low floor?
It has to be. Who else leaves purple slime in his wake?
You reach the others?
They're not responding.
So, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Thanks for hooking us up, man.
No problem, guys. Listen, what are you guys doing now? You want to grab a bite? Take that back. Looks like we're gonna have to reschedule.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I hope so. Listen, it was really nice meeting you. I'll see you guys later.
That was kind of weird.
Not so weird. Let's go.
Evil Power Rangers? How's that even possible?
I thought we were the only ones left.
So did we. There's been an evil energy surge over the past 24 hours. We think the Abyss of Evil has been opened up. Dr. O, you think Lothor's back?
Unfortunately.
but there's only one way to find out.
Let's deal with these fakes.
Trent, you stay here with us. This is just the kind of opportunity Mesogog would take advantage of.
Right. You guys ready? Ready! Power up! That's far enough! You must be lost, because I know we didn't invite you.
Maybe you forgot. You're supposed to beat the bad guys, not be the bad guys.
Good, bad, what's the difference? It's all about power.
I guess we're gonna have to fight them.
Wait, I don't think so. I don't want to hurt you. Your mistake.
Oh, man!
Blake, am I glad to see you?
I got here as fast as I could. What's up?
We got trouble. Big trouble. They're too strong! We need to regroup!
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. You better run.
The important thing here is that you guys are all right, and that we learned something.
What it's like having our butts kicked?
No, that's gonna take a lot more than what we have to defeat them.
More? Like what?
I don't know, Kara. That's what we need to figure out.
Evil Power Rangers. The irony of that is almost too good to be true.
Where do they come from, my lord?
An excellent question, Elsa. Wait. Freeze that picture. How's that?
Who brought them to the party?
Lothar.
Lothar. He's a fool. Huh. A buffoon.
Yes. But one that could prove most useful. Find him and bring him to me.
Yes, my lord.
Reefside is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
Why don't we just use our Dino Zords and kick their ninja butts? I don't get it.
Yeah, I'm with Connor on this one.
Me too.
Look, it's because they're people who were once good, but something has happened to them. Until we figure that out, we defend ourselves, but we don't destroy them.
Well, that was quite a sight.
It was brilliant.
You truly are a strategic genius.
I can't wait to face the Dino Rangers again.
What about you girls?
That's the best thing we've ever done.
Dana! Now I have to take a power nap. Leave me.
You're gonna need more than a nap to beat the Power Rangers. Lucky for you, my master is willing to help out.
How did you get in here?
This is a private lair.
Back off, buddy. If you know what's good for you. Mesogog doesn't mess around with amateurs.
You don't know who you're messing with.
Wait, Tori. Mesogog has sent us his messenger. The least we can do is listen to the message.
Last time on Power Rangers Dino Thunder.
If this reading were accurate, we'd have a blanket of evil spreading over the entire state.
Well, how do you feel? That Blue Bay Harbor must be destroyed.
Evil Power Rangers? How's that even possible?
Let's deal with these fakes.
Lucky for you, my master is willing to help out.
Reefside is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
You know, there's something we haven't even considered.
I'm way ahead of you. Mesogog, right?
What if he finds out about this? Can you imagine the two of them on the same side?
Great. My day just went from bad to worse.
Are you nuts? I take back everything I ever said about you being smart. Have a look at what they've done.
We have to get to the Abyss. It's our only chance.
You were there, right? You know what's inside that thing.
Yeah, our powers. And we have to get them back if we're gonna have any chance of helping the Dino Rangers deal with Tori, Shane, and Dustin.
No way. No. There's no possible way I'm going near that thing again. I just want to say one last time, I think this is a bad idea.
Okay, let's go. And stick together. We split up, we're through.
Well. Love what you've done to the place. It's homey. In a high school science lab sort of way.
Lothar, your reputation precedes you.
Well, don't believe everything you hear. Although there's no such thing as bad press, right?
Right. I suppose you're wondering why I've called you here.
Let me guess. Does it have 12 legs and come in assorted colors?
There's only 5 colors this time, but they're no less of an irritation.
I feel your pain.
Well, I called you here in the hopes of an alliance of sorts.
I see. I'm listening.
I have a plan, but it would require use of your evil Power Rangers.
You've heard of those, have you? They're all the rage.
I believe there's a way we can help one another. That is, if you're willing to work together as a team to rid the planet of the Power Rangers once and for all.
Man, it stinks down here.
Let's find our powers and get out of here.
Over there.
The samurai amulet.
I can't believe there's no one guarding it. You had to say it, right?
Welcome to my home, Power Rangers.
It says here the Ninja Rangers defeated like 100 space mutants at one time.
After fighting them, I believe it.
Oh, come on. They weren't that tough. I'd fight them right here, right now. Can I get you anything? A donut, maybe, or a muffin? Try to stay away from sugar. It makes me hyper.
Oh, I'd hate to see him when he gets hyper.
Get up! We have some unfinished business to attend to.
Dude, she's kind of cute, don't you think?
Yeah, in a crazed Ninja Terminator sort of way.
Would you two focus here?
Right. Can we get on with this? We're not gonna fight you here. Well, then we're just gonna have to destroy you. We'll meet wherever you want, but you come alone. Why should we agree to that?
It's called honor. I thought you ninjas knew all about that.
Fine. Under the harbor bridge. In 1 hour. The 6 of us. No one else. Fine. We'll be there.
Ninja strength? Oh, how cool is that?
Turn to bottom of the abyss. Goodbye, Rangers.
I can't believe I'm gonna miss my race tomorrow.
Did you seriously just say that?
Hold on.
So if they use special powers, we use special powers. If they morph, we morph. Sound good?
Does to me. Man, do they have to keep doing that?
Fools! You actually showed up.
This is boring.
Shall we? Oh, yeah! No, wait!
Wait a minute. Blake? That's how I know you. You're a Power Ranger.
Good, because we can use all the help we can get.
Yeah.
We're not here to help you guys out. We stick with our own kind.
Lothar has shown us the error of our ways.
Whoever doesn't follow us, we'll destroy.
This is gonna be great.
Wait. First, you have to take these. A little power boost, direct from the abyss of evil.
But we already have our powers.
Not these ones.
You better be right about this.
Believe me, you won't be sorry.
Oh, dude, what happened? Ah, my bell is seriously wrong.
How did we get here? The last thing I remember...
Lothar. He's back. Yeah, we know. Sensei told us.
That wasn't Sensei.
No, dude, I know Sensei when I see him.
No, it's Lothar.
Okay, unless it was Lothar dressed as Sensei, huh?
Okay, this is all highly amusing, but does someone want to tell me what's going on?
We were about to fall inside, but Dad got there just in time.
So we faked being on Lothar's side to get you to take the right ninja discs.
It's a good thing you guys showed up when you did.
Good thing for you guys.
Whatever, dude.
No, I'm just playing, man. You guys fight like rock stars.
I, for one, will take that as a compliment.
We're glad you're here, but now it's time to get down to business.
Tommy is right. We have a serious problem on our hands.
And it's gonna take all of us to defeat him.
Sir, the troops are assembled and ready for battle.
Your general has done well.
Why'd you, sir? Enough about him. Let's get this show on the road. We have a world to command, and the clocks are ticking.
Master, I know it's not my place, but do you really think it's wise to trust them? I mean...
Of course it's not. That's why I don't. Lothar is a pawn, nothing more. When I'm done, he will be a mere footnote in our Dino restructuring of Earth.
We've got company.
It's time. Let's show them what teamwork is really all about.
Get ready!
Let's be careful, but let's get it done. Are you guys ready?
Ready! Dino Thunder! Power up! Blade Ranger! Dino Power! Ranger Storm! Ranger Form! Thunder Storm! Ranger Form! Samurai Storm! Ranger Form!
Toretto! Tricera!
Terra!
Brachio! Drago! Dino Thunder!
Power! Air!
Water!
Power! Reverse! Crimson Thunder!
Navy Thunder!
Samurai Power!
Ninja Storm!
Ranger Power! I'll take it from here.
We got your back.
Brachio Staff! Energy Orb! You okay? They're asking for it.
Let's give it to them. Super Samurai Mode.
Super Dino Mode!
Undercycle, activate!
Triassic time! You're gonna regret this! You thinking what I'm thinking?
Totally! Battleizer!
Fire kick! Aerial mode! Fire!
Your plot has failed.
You two! Get down there and do some of that ninja stuff you're always bragging about.
Gladly. Yeah, okay.
Nice moves, you guys. Back at you, bro. All right. Yeah.
Oh, guys! Hey, Cap.
What are you doing here?
Is that any way to greet family?
Yeah, especially when we bought you a present.
Shut up.
It's our students.
Thank you. We owe you a debt that we will never be able to repay.
No.
Now!
Hey, everybody okay?
Didn't think we really went bad. We were just pretending.
Again?
Yeah, well, we're slow learners.
I knew I should never have trusted those two.
And I knew I shouldn't have trusted you. Looks like this planet has one too many evil villains, and I have no intention of leaving. Say goodbye, Lothar. And this time, mean it. Very collectible.
I'm afraid it's dead. Lothar's extraction of the powers left just enough energy for one last battle.
Yeah, well, I guess it's a good thing we got you guys.
You've done your part. It's our turn to take over where you left off.
There's just one thing I still don't understand.
What's that, Dustin?
Who rescued Sensei?
Oh, hello. I think we can answer that for you. Sure.
What? Do you guys have any idea how heavy he is?
Yeah. Hey, Sensei, you should cut down on the cookies with your afternoon tea.
I will keep that in mind, now that I am returning to my normal life.
I'm all about getting back to normal. Yeah, but not until we get down and dirty.
Okay, we've got our press passes, the camera, the microphone, and the hairspray, so we've got everything. All we need to do now is find Blake Bradley and get the interview. Capri, did you just see that girl? She is, like, so stunning. Devin, did you see that girl? She is so stunning. But I am so much prettier.